Let's clean out the dirty water. Let's play some music. Hi everybody! Some Tori Kelly. Trying to take off my contacts. Galing ako guesting kanina, dalawang guesting. Ay, wala na. Oh, meron pa. Hi! Get unready with me na to. Guys, alam mo, dito na lang to. Wait lang. Dami kong damit sa chair ko. Step out of the sun. Kahit brush ako ng brush ng hair, it still looks like hindi ako nag-brush. On the outside, always looking in. Ever be more than I ever been. I'm tapping on the glass. Pasok daw ulit ako sa BBB. Try to speak, but nobody can hear. So I wait around for an answer to appear. Now I'm watching and more. Boom, boom, boom. Waiting through the window. Oh, really? Is anybody waving back at me? We start with stars in our eyes. Si Justin ba yan? Hi, Justin! Nakita nga kami ni Justin kanina. Wow! Justin, saan ka na? Nasa ABS ka pa ba? My dogs. Okay, I'm going to take off my contacts. I take them off like... Parang ganda ng contacts ba? Guys, tingnan mo yung ilong ko. Super weird. Kapag side na to, kita mo yung parang bukol dito, diba? Parang, pangit. Pero kapag dito, parang, bugs. Bugs! Akala mo naman, diba? Akala mo, ang ganda ng ilong ko. Pero kapag dito, diba? Ooh, thank you. What's that? Thank you. Who sent the gift? Does it ever make a sound? You're falling in a forest and nobody around. Do you ever really crash or even make a sound? When you're falling in a forest, there's nobody around. Do you ever really crash or even make a sound? When you're falling in a forest and nobody around. Okay. Tanggalin ko na ito yung contacts ko na ha. Ang ganda, no? Always looking in, ever be more than I ever been. I'm tapping on the glass, waving through a window. I try to speak, but nobody can hear, so I wait around for an answer to appear while I'm watching people pass. Grabe yung grabe ng difference ng contacts, no? Anong color ng hair ko? Sa totoo lang, sa sobrang love na love ko talaga yung ML Salon. Kasi sa ML Salon ako nagpa-hair eh. Sabi ko kay Kuya Marky, yung hairstylist ko dyan, nakakatakot. Wait lang. Tanggalin ko na yung isa. Sabi ko kay Kuya Marky, gusto ko na yung parang caramel. You know, yung parang, ganyan. Caramel, like, queen. Sabi niya, alam ko na yan. Tingnan mo! Ganda na hair. Thank you. Ano to?
Sakto sa bulsa na anghang sarap. Magpilis sakto, extra hot.
Half German, half Shepherd. No. Half Italian ako, guys. Hey. Ano to? Get Unready With Me ba to? You're nothing but you know that... Oy! Oy! Wait lang! Ano nangyari? Pwede pala mag-zoom in dito. Ayan. Sabi ko gusto ko sana din mag-zoom in. Tapos biglang... One that I call, baby, you could kiss 100. Okay. Stop the feeling. You can say it's just the way you are. Make a new excuse, another stupid reason. Yeah. Ewan ko. Let's take off my makeup. Guys, parang nasayangan ako. Parang ang ganda-ganda ng makeup ko. Tanggalin ko ba? Alam mo yan, guys, kapag galing kang event or galing kang trabaho, tapos parang, trabaho. Or galing kang event or something, tapos parang ganda, pak na pak yung makeup mo. Tapos by the end of the night, parang tanggalin ko ba? Kasi parang, sayang. Need a little love and I just need a little hair. I wanna call it off, call it love. Loves me, baby. Can kiss 100 boys in Mars. Shoot another shot. Hi, Vaughn. Vaughn Rigor. Thank you po for the gift. Grabe naman kayo, mga chismos sa talaga. For the gift. Grabe naman kayo, mga chismosa talaga kayo, no? Good luck, babe. Good luck, babe. And, oh, when you wake up next to him in the middle of the night with your head in your hands, you're nothing more than his wife. And when you think about me, I love those years ago. You're standing face to face. I told you so. I told you so. Who's the queen of pop? That's hard. I don't know. There's so many icons. Good luck, baby. You have to stop the world. Okay. Tanggalin ko na yung makeup ko. Pero, yung tanong, may makeup wipes ba ako? Isama sa Magic. Kanina? Kahapon. Kanina. That's Greenfield. Good luck, baby. Good luck, baby. That's Greenfield. Good luck, baby. Ang bilis ng ano. Hi. Wow, nice eyes. Thank you. Guys, I have a pimple. Alam mo yung pimple na to has been here since Christmas! Since Christmas! Nasa Canada pa ako, doon na. Did you guys listen to R. Kelly?
Check lahat ito with Nido Nutri-Snacks.
Let's see if I can take off my makeup. Paano ko tanggalan yung makeup ko today? My body, oh mine. Wag naman ilong ko, day. Kasi parang tabingi nga eh. Tingnan mo, tabingi. Oh, ganon. Kapag dito, ay, parang pati ako nagulat ako sa ilong ko. Ganon. Kapag dito, ay, parang pati ako nagulat ako sa ilong ko. Hindi kasi, usually, yung ginagawa mo, lagi ko lang pinafocus yung ilong ko dito. Parang ang pangit, tingnan mo parang ganyan, tabingi, yung ganyan. Pero, kapag dito pala maganda. Ganun pala yun. Yeah, okay. Alam mo, hindi mo alam yung lyrics? Okay, tanggalin ko na yung makeup, guys. Huwag kayo magulat. Magulat kayo sa akin. Don't leave me, ha? Okay. Start kalahati lang ng mukha. O, gusto mo? Okay. Start lang muna sa mata. Ganyan. Guys, narinig nyo yung bagong PBB? Parang may, yeah, kapamilya Kapuso. Sinong bet ko? Na-announce pa ba? Kitang-kita kung saan Oh, thank you! Butyon. Ano ba? Hindi ko alam yung user. You're from Bohol. Hello. Ayan, okay. So, yung ginawa ko, tinanggal ko lang, kalahati lang ng mukha ko.
My boy's a winner, he loves the game. My lips reflect off his cross gold chain.
I had guestings kanina for work, promoting my song.
My cheeks are red like cherries in the spring. Body's a work of art, die to see.
Untouched, let's, lust, let's, what?
Die to see.
Untouched, let's, lust, let's, when you lust, let's, when you drive in your car, I'm your baby, and listen to my innocence in the backseat. Say you love, say you love, say you love me.
Losing all my innocence in the backseat. When we drive in your car, I'm your baby. Losing all my innocence in the backseat. Say you love, you love, you love me. Losing all my innocence in the backseat.
So, ito yung utsura ko, may makeup. Wala na. Sexy, diet Pepsi.
I write my name with lipstick on your chest. I leave marks too. I'm the best.
Untouched, XO.
Young, lost, let's drive in your car, I'm your baby.
Ang weird! Ayoko nang kinikilig ko. Gusto ko yung chinek ko pa eh. Sabi ko, naman, mabuting yung kilikili ko. Ano ba? Na-conscious tuloy ako. Ano ba? Uy, magalit. Parang galit yung mga conscious sa labas, no? Listen to my innocence in the backseat.
Say you love, just me. Losing all my innocence.
Gusto mo ng totoo kung paano maging maputi na yung kilikili nyo? Ito yung totoong, walang eme. Parang, basta, totoo. Sikreto ng lahat ng mga artista, ganyan. Laser hair, guys. Sa totoo lang. Laser. Kung wala ka ng buhok dyan, hindi na siya diba? Hindi siya the darken. But alam mo yan, laser hair. Investment siya. Pero, that's it for me. Ito yung aalis dahil wala na akong makeup. My baby, we should stick together, no? Totoo ba yung ilong ko? Yes. Kasi, kung hindi siya totoo, dapat straight siya. Hindi siya tamingi. Diba? Ayan. Pwede naman din tawas. I think tawas na go-work din ata. Yeah, parang maganda din tawas. Till the day that I die. Sorry. Dami kong energy. Na-conscious tuloy ako sa kilikili ko, guys. So, Berocca. Vitamins. Berocca and more vitamins. You know what I'm taking? I'm taking fiber, guys. Share ko lang. I'm also taking iron. I'm also taking iron because I found out that I am iron deficient. So, with my vitamins. I don't think say goodbye. True. What vitamins do I take? It's a good question. I take iron. Importante din vitamin C. Parang umiinit na cellphone ko. Vitamin C. Yeah, I know Billie didn't get a Grammy. Did she? I don't know. Alam mo guys. Hoy! Wait lang. Si Polo. Kakainis si Polo, guys. Yung aso ko. She's so rude, you know.
I feel pretty good.
He is so rude. My aso is so rude.
Fucking guys.
Birds of a better can stick together and no. Another Billie song? Sure. Let's do. Let's search Billie. I think Billie is very underrated.
I don't need you to tell me all the reasons to want you.
Hi guys. things fall apart, and time breaks your heart. I wasn't there. Ano ba yung iniinom ko? Tubig lang, na may bro ka. Na may vitamins. Can you listen all my music video appearances? Oh my gosh! Alam mo, yung first music video ko ever, I think mga 15 years old ata ako dyan. Search ko nga. Sorry, pause ko yung Billie Eilish. It was called... It's called Piring. Piring ba? Tama? Piring by Down by 18. Yeah. Down by 18 and oh wow, thank you, Pretty Lynn. Thank you, roses. Cute. Yeah, so can you say vitamins? Vitamins? Bakit? Paano dapat? Vitamins? Vitamins. So look at, tingnan mo kung gaano kapag gets ako dito. Ready? Tingnan mo. Hindi pa ako, wait lang. Bog! Si ate girl. Bog. May gulay. Yeah. Magnapula sa pag-ibig, pikit mata sa pangako mong tayong dalawa. Tapos yung second music video ko ever after that, ano ba yan? Was it does anyone know? Does anyone? I think maybe yung pangalawa was it Diwata? Diwata ba? Or did I think I had one more before that. Baka feeling ko meron pa eh. Wala ba? Okay, anyway. So, Diwata. Tapos, after ikaw ang. Ganun Talaga by Dre. Dre Sugay. Shout out. So, ganun talaga. Tapos, nag-ghostwriter with Chemo. Yes. Ano pa ba? Ano pa ba? Yeah. So, galing na ba ako mag-Tagalog? I know, right? Long time na hindi ako nag-live. Ayan. So, hello pa. Thank you, Air. Bakit i-add mo yan sa thread mo? So, ayun. Gusto mo mag-hi. May gusto mag-hi. Hi. Ikaw, makulit ka, no? Ito, kinakain niya yung mga, socks ko. Damit ko. Kulit naman ito. Kulit ka ba? Or gusto mo lang ng hugging? Gusto mo lang ng lambing, no? Gusto niya lang ng lambing. Ito naman, si Polo. This is Polo. Say hi, Polo! Hi, dog! Hi, Polo! Diba? Say, hi, my name is Polo. Polo, 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 Polo. My name is Polo. My name is Polo. Polo, 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 Polo. Polo Sports. Nag-iinggit. Inggit yung isa! Inggit yung isa! Gusto mo lang din mag-hi, Maggie? Si Polo ay toy poodle. Yun yung breed niya. Tapos, inggit din yung isa dito, si Maggie. Maggie, mag-hi ka. Hi ka, baby. Asan ka na, baby? Sige. Wait lang. Oh, thank you, Lou. I'll show you guys, Maggie. Sige. Yung movie ko sa I Want is The Gatekeeper. Maggie, gusto mag-hi? Hi ka na. Come here. They want to see you. Oh, you're so cute. You're so pretty. Maganda si Maggie at pogi si Polo. Diba? Come on, Maggie, come here. Mag-hi ka na. Mag-hi ka na. 1, 2, 3. Big girl, big girl, big girl. Oh my God, makulit. Hi, baby. Mag-hi ka na muna sa camera. Oh my God. Look at them. They're so hard. Oh. Pwede nyo i-screenshot. Wala akong picture. Kasama sa mga aso ko. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3. Ang cute nila. 1, 2. Polo, smile. Cute. Smile. Super. Diba? Wala akong picture kasama yung mga aso ko. So, kayo na lang ang bahala mag-screenshot dyan. Oh, cute. Right. Bakit kayo makulit? Oh, thank you, CJ. Bakit ka makulit? Baba ka na. Ilang months po sila? Ilang years na? Years na ata sila. Itong 2 years na ata to. 1 year or 2 years na si Polo. Baba ka na. So, yeah. Yun po yung mga asya ko. Kulat. Cute, diba? Cute. Are you cute? Feeling cute lang sila. Hi. Ano pong gakit yung eyelash? Ha? Gakit? Anong gakit? Gamit. Ang hirap pala mang T-A-N-G-A. Ang hirap palang mang T-A-N-G-A. Yung gamit ko actually. So, kaka-perm ko lang. So, yung perm is mean parang curl. Parang perm ko sa Deluxe Pad Manila. Ayan. So, doon yung nakaka-perm yung kakaganda. Kasi mahaba na lashes ko. Pero kapag bago ko natutulog, ganyan, ginagamit tong Sky High, Maybelline Sky High. Parang ganyan. Bago ko matulog and stuff. Thank you. Guys, pwede mo i-tag ako sa mga... Tag nyo ako sa stories nyo, if anything, para makita ko ang pictures kasama ko mga asya ko. Yeah. Hello. Wala akong karelasyon. Tama ba? Wala akong hindi ako related. Wala akong kadugo na Gomez. Kadugo ba yan? Wala akong kadugo na Gomez na nasa industriya. Salamat po. Ba't nandito kayong dalawa? Ha? Namiss niyo ako, no? Ako po, yung lahi ko, half aso. Karelasyon is jowa. Okay. Noted po. Dapat Tagalog lessons lang ito. Diba? Relatives. Wala akong relatives. Okay. Okay. Sorry po. Sorry. I'm learning. Thank you. Hi, JV. Andito si JV. Hello. Salamat sa gift. Kailan ba ako magba-black hair ulit? Look at my dogs. Dito lang sila. Nakaiga lang sa akin. Cute. Nope. Mwah. Isa pa. Mwah. Wala akong connection sa mga Gomez. Kamukha ng dog ko. Akala ko sinabi mo kamukha ko yung aso ko. Diba minsan sinasabi nila na you start to look like your dogs. Hi, Nads! Birthday mo. Happy birthday! Ayan. Ayan. Ano? Bakit? Kailan birthday ko? Birthday ko ay May 15. Tignan mo yung tail ni Polo. Girl and boy sila. Pero nakakatawa kasi yung babae ay nag-hump sa lalaki. So, ito yung lalaki. Siya, nag-hump niya si Polo. Kahit Polo ang yung lalaki. Ay, okay naman sa akin. I need a dog, Nani. Thanks, Ate Pao. I'm trying to read. Medyo mabilis lang Hi, hello, ma'am. Fangirling here. I like you since PBB. Aw, thank you very much. And a safe friend of Alexa. Yes, 100%. You can count on that. I mean, I feel like it goes both ways, right? I will fight for Alexa. I'll fight for Alexa. No, but I will. I will defend and fight for Alexa. I love Alexa because she would also do the same. Yeah. Yes, kasama ako sa Social Climbers. Yes. Guys, malapit ang Social... Kaya pa ba siya? Malapit ang Social Climbers sa Netflix. February 24 ata yan. Yes. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy na kasama ako dyan sa movie na yan. Kasi, basta! Ay, 27. Feb 27. Dahil yung mommy ko, guys, ever since I really wanted to be part of a comedy movie. And look. Minsan I just want to cuddle with my dogs. So I can come back to Cebu. Oh, I really don't know when I'll be going back to Cebu. But I was just there in the beginning of the month. Andan ako. You love my humor? Thank you so much because I also love my humor. I think I'm so funny. Hi, JV! Thank you so much! Hint po ng character niya. Ako ang anak ng isang tao. Crush na talaga kita since birth? Since birth? Paano yan? Paano kung mas matanda ka? Mas patanda ba ako? Oh, guys, alam mo, ngayon, napansin ko, inaate na ako ng mga ibang tao. Ate, ba't nila ako inaate? Hindi ako ate. Kuya. Eme. 22 pa lang ako, guys. Ate na ba yan? You wanna go down na? Baba ka na. Huwag kayong masyadong papansin. Alam mo, actually, ito yung brush nila. I-brush na lang natin yung hair nila. Ito, excited yung isa. Kailangan niya i-smell pa muna. Kanta ka naman. Anong song? Gusto mo kanta ako? Try para manika. Try. Yes, kapatid ko po si Selena Gomez. Eme. Yung pangalan ko, gusto ko Gomez kasi Shania Go Gomez! Congratulations to Kuya TJ dahil kahapon sa concert niya, they awarded him with Billboard Philippines #1 song of 2024. At siya din ang unang male solo act na naka-sold out na 3 gabi sunod sa Araneta. Oh, masa naman Tagalog ko dyan. Sunod ba yan? Nasaktan ba ako? Parang, sorry. What's my haircut? Sorry, the things are kind of moving fast, the messages. Yung haircut ko, layers. Layers na may pa curtain bangs ng konti. Kasi manipis yung hair ko, like super nipis hair ko. So, kailangan naka-layers yung hair ko para... okay, baba ka na, baby. Thank you. Naka-layers dapat yung hair ko para mukhang full. So, yeah. What does that mean? Tinatanggihan niyo po ba ang management kapag di kayo comfortable sa pinagawa sa inyo? What does like, anong ibig sabihin yun? Example. Kasi, so feeling ko swerte ako kasi yung management ko, lagi nila akong tinatanong kung komportable ako, kung hanggang ano ba yung limits ko sa so swerte ko dyan. Yeah, kung hindi ka komportable, but I feel blessed kay Rise na okay naman. Umattend po ba kayo ng concert? Yes, umattend ako ng concert ng TJ Montero, the one and only. Yung pangatlong, 3rd day. Yes. Yes. On the outside, always looking in and... Sorry, nakakahiya. Kakabiglang ako ng You know what? Let's sing a song. Let's try. Try natin. Ano ba? Anong gusto niyo? Try ko espresso, but espresso is kind of low for me. Low? Hindi, totoo nga. Mababa kaya ang espresso. Okay. Yeah, pwede ka man namang mag-no kung hindi ka po komportable.
You couldn't wait to eat the Oreos? This is how you eat.
Okay, yung instrumental, louder. Okay ba? Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, isn't that sweet? I guess so. So you can't sleep, baby. I know that's the me espresso. See, it's kind of low. Mababa siya eh. Like Nintendo. So you can't sleep, baby. I know that's the me espresso. I can't relate to desperation. My give a damn. Are on vacation, and I got this one boy, and he won't stop calling when they act this way. I know I got him. Too bad your ex don't do it for you. Walked in and dream came true for you. Soft skin, I perfumed it for you. I know I'm Mountain Dew it for you. That morning coffee brewed it for you. Brand new it for you. Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, isn't that sweet? I guess so. So you can't sleep, baby. I know that's that me espresso. Switch it up, down, left, right. Oh, switch it up like Nintendo. So you can't sleep, baby. I know that's that me espresso. Holy beep. So I'm working late, 'cause I'm a singer, and he looks so cute. Wrap around my finger, my twisted humor, making laugh so often, my honeybee. Come get this pollen, too bad your ex don't do it for you. Walked in and dream came true for you. Soft skin, I perfume it for you. I know a Mountain Dew for you. That morning coffee brewed it for you. One touch and I brand new it for you. Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, isn't that sweet? I guess so. So you can't sleep, baby. I know that's that me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right. Oh, switch it up like Nintendo. So you can't sleep, baby. I know that's that me espresso. Ulit-ulit lang yan. What about this song? Sabrina pa rin, pero after this one. Oh. You know, Tagalog next. Sige, pwede. Tagalog next. Ready? 5, 6. I know I have good judgment. I know I have good taste. It's funny and it's ironic that only I feel that way. I promise them that you're different. And everyone makes mistakes, but just don't. I heard that you're an actor, so act like a stand-up guy. Whatever devil inside you, don't let him out tonight. I tell them it's just your culture, and everyone rolls their eyes. Yeah, I know. All I'm asking, baby, please, 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 don't prove I'm right. And please, 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 don't bring me to tears when I just did my makeup so nice. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. I bet you don't embarrass me like the others. Please, 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 I have a fun idea, babe. Maybe just stay inside. I know you're craving some fresh air, but the ceiling fan is so nice. And we could live so happily if no one knows that you're with me. I'm just kidding. But really, 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 please, 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 day. My makeup's so nice. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. I bet you don't embarrass me like the others. Please, please, please. If you wanna go and be stupid, don't do it in front of me. If you don't wanna cry to my music. Hi, Kuya Alvin! Kuya Alvin's here! Hello! Guys, si Kuya Alvin, magaling yan na photographer. Sobrang galing. Please. Do you guys know Casual? Oo nga, streamer era ko. Guys, know Casual Chapel Rowan dahil si Chapel Rowan, ito siya ay, ano siya? Bagong start of the year? Ba yun? Ito. Thank you, Alvin! My friends call me a loser, 'cause I'm still hanging around. I've heard so many rumors that I'm just a girl that you bang on your couch. I thought you thought of me better, someone you couldn't lose. You said we're not together, so now when we kiss I have anger issues. You say, baby, no attachments, but we're knee deep in the passenger seat and you're reading me out in a casual now. 2 weeks and your mom invites me to her house in Long Beach. Is it casual now? I know what you tell your friends. It's casual now. And baby, get me off again. If it's casual now. Ano ba yung Tagalog na pwede? Sorry, di ko check yung ano. Anong Tagalog song pwede? Alam mo yung song, isang song na pinapractice ko. Ito. I think. Pinapractice ko lang. You know this one? Okay. Kahit ikaw ay magalit, sa'yo lang lalapit, sa'yo lang aawit. Kahit na ikaw ay nagbago na, iibigin pa rin kita kahit ayaw mo na. Tatakbo, tatalon, sisigaw ang pangalan mo. Iisipin na lang panaginip lahat ng ito. O bakit pa kailangan pang umalis? Pakiusap lang na huwag ka nang lumihis. Tayo mag-usap, teka lang, ika'y huminto. Huwag mo kong iwan, aayusin natin to. Daling sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo ba? Lapit ng lapit, ako'y lalapit, layo ng layo, ika'y malabo, tayo'y malabo, bumalik, at muli ka rin aalis. Tatakbo ka ng mabilis, hiyayakapin ng mahigpit. Ang hirap pag di mo alam ang iyong pupuntahan. Kung ako ba ayop... diba? Wala na. Na-try ko lang. Kung saan... Ano pa pwede? Wala. Yeah, ano ba? Ano bang pwede? Tagalog ba? Wala eh. I mean, chine-check ko lang yung ano, yung suggested. Oh my god, you guys know this song? Itong song. Ben and Moira. What's Marilag? Marilag. Search ko yan. Saglit. Search ko yan after yun. Alam mo yun? Dayonela. Baka sana saan ka at sumama sa paglisan niya. Yung ano, girl, Shari, you don't need no makeup. That me no pain of that one. Ba't ganun yung ano? Yeah, that one. Ba't ganun ko? Ba't ganyan yung ano ko? Shari, you don't need no makeup. Shari, you don't need no makeup. And it's so sad for the pizza pain up. Wait, gusto ko to muna. Gusto ko maging sad girl muna. Pwede ba? Nasaan ka? Ba't sumama sa paglisan niya? Kung babawiin ang mga nasabi, babalik pa sa aking tabi. Saan ba nagsisimula? Kung ako'y umaasa pa, naniniwala sa iyong pangako na hindi susuko. Ito. Ay, lang nangyari. O di lang ikaw yung nasaktan, hindi pa ba sapat na binigay ko ang lahat? Paalam, paalam, paalam. Ano pa? Gusto ko sad song. Sad mood ako. Sad mood! Di lang ikaw yung nasaktan, hindi pa ba sapat na binigay ko ang lahat? At di man lang nagpaalam. O di lang ikaw yung nasaktan, hindi pa ba sapat na binigay ko ang lahat? Paalam, paalam, paalam. What? Oh, you know, so sick. Guys, ginawa ko tong karaoke. Ginawa kong concert. Concert ko na to. Wala ka nang choice. Underneath Your Clothes by Shakira. Stop. Search ko yan. Ready? So sick! Female key. Sabi nila. Ready? Gotta change my answering machine now that I'm alone. Cause right now it says that we can't come through the phone. And I know it makes no sense, cause you walked out the door. But it's the only way I hear your voice anymore. It's ridiculous, it's been months, and for some reason I can't get over us. Stronger than, I don't know this part. Enough is enough. Walking around with my head down, crying over you. So sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Yeah, I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. Why can't I turn off the radio? Yeah, I have. That's marked July 15th. Cause since there's no more you, there's no more anniversary. So fed up with my thoughts of you and your memory. Okay na. Tapos na ito. Tapos na natin yan. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining my impromptu live stream. Feeling ko, oras na para housemates. Oras na para titigan na natin to, guys. Damn it. But I think we should all, I think I need to shower. Kasi galing ako guesting kanina pang umaga. Tingnan mo yung ginawa ni Polo. Kinagat ni Polo eh. Hindi na ano. Tingnan mo ang strong ng teeth niya. Kaya naman ganyan ang ano ko. But yeah. Anyway, thank you guys so much. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you. I appreciate it. Alina Gomez? Shalina. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I appreciate lahat kayo na nagjo-join dito. Thank you, Louie. Thank you, Sky. Yeah, so I'll see you guys again. A little mwah here, a little choop choop. There. Ay, put it together, mama chup chup. Okay, guys, mama chup chup. See you guys. Bye, guys. Ay, put it together, mama chup chup. Okay, guys, mama chup chup. See you guys. Bye, guys. Ay, you put it together, Mama Chup Chup! Okay, guys. Mama Chup Chup. See you guys. Bye, guys.